Imagine knowing you are going to die. No rescue, no escape. No miracle, your body is failing, your strength is almost gone. Logic tells you there is no way out, so why don't you stop? Why does a man still crawl forward, still breathe through pain, still fight, even when survival feels impossible? Why does the human mind refuse to surrender? This isn't courage, it isn't hope, and it isn't optimism. It's something older, darker, more powerful. Welcome to the Daily Dose of Knowledge. If you're new here, this channel is for people who want to understand what truly controls human behavior. The instincts beneath our thoughts. The forces beneath our choices. The truths we don't like to admit. Today we're talking about survival instinct. Why humans cling to life so desperately. Why giving up feels almost impossible. And how far a person is willing to go just to stay alive. Survival instinct is not a belief. It's not a mindset, it's not motivation, it's a biological command. Long before humans built civilizations, before morals, before religion, there was one rule carved into the nervous system. Stay alive. This instinct lives deep in the brain, in areas that evolved millions of years ago. These parts of the brain don't care about happiness or meaning. They regulate breathing, heart rate, pain response, fear. When the brain senses extreme danger, it releases stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Pain dulls. Time distorts. Strength increases. The body enters survival mode. This is why people perform feats they later can't explain. Why injured people keep moving. Why fear doesn't paralyze everyone. Giving up feels like a choice. But survival is automatic. When survival instinct activates, the mind changes. Time collapses. The future disappears. The past loses relevance. Only the next second exists. You don't think, I want to live. Your body decides for you. This is when people become unrecognizable. Calm people become aggressive. Ethical people break their own rules. Civilized behavior fades, not because people turn evil, but because survival strips away identity. In survival mode, you are no longer a personality. You are no longer a role. You are no longer a story. You are an organism. And organisms do not care about dignity. They care about air, warmth, movement, one more heartbeat. This instinct can make humans endure starvation, isolation, extreme pain, and psychological torture. It can push people to places they once believed were impossible. History gives us one of the clearest examples of this. In 1972, a plane crashed into the Andes Mountains. The survivors were trapped in freezing temperatures. No food, no rescue, no way out. Days passed, then weeks. Then months. People died, and the living faced a choice that violated everything they believed about themselves. They consumed the bodies of the dead to stay alive, not out of cruelty, not out of madness, out of survival. Later, many survivors said something disturbing. Once the decision was made, their fear disappeared. The mind didn't break, it adapted. Because survival instinct doesn't panic, it overrides. This is why humans cling to life even when hope is gone. You don't fight because life is beautiful. You fight because your biology refuses surrender. Hope can fade, purpose can vanish, meaning can collapse. But survival instinct stays, until the very last moment. That's today's dose. If this changed how you see human nature, consider subscribing. More videos on the way. See you then.